Stop struggling to make ends meet, embrace digital marketing in 2025 and watch your income soar. Digital marketing is evolving fast. Here's how you can stay ahead and earn big next year. First, master the art of content creation. High-quality, engaging content is king. Think blogs, videos, and social media posts that captivate your audience. Second, harness the power of SEO. Optimize your content so it ranks high on search engines. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your progress and tweak as needed. Next, don't underestimate email marketing. Build a solid email list and send personalized, value-packed emails. People love feeling special, and a well-timed email can turn prospects into loyal clients. Also, leverage social media ads. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer targeted advertising that can reach your ideal audience with precision. Finally, never stop learning. Digital marketing trends change rapidly. Stay updated with online courses, webinars, and industry blogs. So, are you ready to dominate digital marketing in 2025? Get started today and turn your skills into serious cash.